What's the
Or the game's over.
Wait, no.
Wait. No, I'm not going out there.
Look, go towards the top right here, that middle one right there.
What middle one?
Up here on the top.
Wait, don't do it. Don't do it yet. No, wait.
The middle one right there.
One.
There's,
Told you.
take it out, Nami.
I'll break. I already know.
Go very slow. Don't do it all the way for him. Very slow.
Go slow, Nami.
And Jiggly, come on. Wait. Jiggly. Is that the thing? Jeez.
You can do it. Go slow.
I can't do it.
You
Take it
can.
out. Hurry up, it's gonna make it drop if you don't pull it out.
Can you hold it?
Hola!
Oh,
Nami, take it out. That's your piece now. You have to take it out or the game's over.
Why do you have to do it?
Because it's your turn.
You always have
Pull it out slow.
slow.
No, it's pretty.
Pull it out straight.
I'm not.
Don't pull it down, Raymond. Pull it straight out, okay?
Can't do it.
Nami, do it.
Why do you have to do that one?
Because it's already out.
You always have to do the hard one. And look at the building.
Okay, do it very lightly.
It's the break apart.
Take it out.
Slowly.
Take it out
Take
already.
it out straight.
But look at the pieces. Look at the wood. It looks like it's on break right now.
All right, take it out. Hurry up or your turn's over and you lose.
I'll do it.
Pull it. If the longer you wait, the more it's gonna fall. You almost got it.
Okay, good.
I know, I'm at the bottom. I need both hands. No, I need both. I hate you, remember? Okay, ready?
No, I hate you.
You hit me, so you're on the bottom.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
You see his face?
Get out of the way, ugly.
My turn.
Oh.
You're going too hard on him.
He beats me every single time.
I just won you.
Is Jersey Sharon's hat? Alright.
You only got one, you have to get both. You're not trying.
Are we getting tired, Raymond?